Hi and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this wonderful 2016 66 registered Mini 1 diesel. Now these cars have to be arguably one of the best selling three-door cars on the market today. Over the last decade they have always featured in the top 10 of new cars being purchased, and that then has transpired into the used market. Now this particular example is finished in pepper white. Now that is the best colour, it's an iconic Mini colour, and it's sitting on the lovely 15-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Now when you're buying a Mini, you'll know that you can buy lots of different extras, lots of different options and lots of different packs. Now this particular car has the pepper pack, so that's approximately £1,350. If you have a look at the words on our advert, it'll tell you but exactly what you get on one of those. Now on a pepper pack you'll get the decor rings on the headlamps in chrome, you get the lovely chrome round the grille, you get the black detailing in the centre, and you get the front fog lamps as well. Obviously the car then with the pepper pack sits on the lovely 5-spoke rocket alloys, those, if my memory's not wrong, and they're all finished in fantastic condition. Those, I'll go around the vehicle and show you all the wheels. Now when we detail this vehicle, we'll remove those wheels, we'll wash them inside and out, we'll paint the disc, we'll paint the caliper, so when you do come and view the car here at our luxury showroom, you can see the vehicle in its true light. Now the car itself has got rear privacy glass. Now that's another option, around about £350 on that, but that just makes the car, just has that sort of nicer, cooler look to it. Coming round to the rear of the car, you get the sort of the spoiler built into the tailgate there, and then you get the Mini 1 detailing as well. Now the boots on these are ample, lovely size boot on this, and this one has the floor section, and you've got your set of tailored mats there. This car has a spare wheel, so slung underneath is your spare wheel and a jack and a wheel brace, because Minis don't have a spare wheel. They run either on normal tyres and you have an inflation kit, or you get run flat tyres, but this one has got the spare wheel. So as you can see there, again, the driver's side rear wheel is in great order. The bodywork on the vehicle is in super condition. As I say, the service history is all detailed on our advert as well. We like to be transparent in everything we do. Now, it's got a bit of dew on it this morning, but the front end again is really minimal chips. Anything that needed touching in is only touched in with a little pencil. White mirror caps, as I say, and a white roof. But inside, Minis are always very, very nicely detailed off. Now a pepper pack car, I'll show you the internal extras you get with the pepper pack. So this particular vehicle has 2 electric windows, electric door mirrors, remote central locking. We get the nice silver kick plate detailing, and then the internal seats are what we call rocket cloth interior, and they are a nice mix of colours. The stitching very similar as the clock I'll show you in a minute, goes from like a white to an orange, and then you've got hints of green in there. But a delightful interior, very well maintained, very well kept. Now the pepper pack gets the 3-spoke leather steering wheel. So this is a sport steering wheel, very reminiscent of a coupe, and you get the black detail at the bottom then. Dip the clutch, press the button, and then you get the decor ring around the speedo and radio that changes colour, and that's sort of very similar to the colour of the stitching on the seats themselves. Now a pepper pack car gets air conditioning, which is digital rather than manual, and you also then get auxiliary and USB. You have a Bluetooth system, so we press the menu there, you can see the options that you've got. If I press telephone, we can pair the device. Radio, we have DAB as well, which is great, isn't it? Now coming over to the vehicle computer there, we can see that we've got a mileage of 32,847 miles. We've got 89 miles of diesel. Last owners had 56.9 miles to the gallon at 24 miles an hour. So very, very fuel efficient car. Lots of round town driving. The grey detailing fits on the dashboard. We get the airbag in there, and as the seat on the passenger is in lovely order as well. Very, very nicely kept car, this. Put your mats on there. You've got the Velcro. We've got a 6-speed transmission as well. All your details are there, but everything is nicely in nice order. No marks or scratches really on the clocks. The onboard computer. We've got automatic wipers, and we've also got automatic headlamps as well as part of a pepper pack. So, like the black detail around there as well, and then obviously you've got different colours around that system as well. Nicely finished off this car. A real credit to the previous owner. So, hopping in the back, you can see the carpets are in superb condition. Don't even look like anybody sat in the back here. I'm sure they have, but not on a frequent basis. Now, Isofix chairs allows you to put seats in if you should need. I don't smoke, never have, and I can tell that this car, off my nose, has not been smoked in either, which is something that's very important to me when I'm buying cars. I don't want somebody else's neglected, smoked in, not looked after vehicle. So, all in all, what a great vehicle. So we've got both keys for the car. We've got the service pack, we've got the books, we've got the tailored mats, everything you'd want from a 66 plate low mileage car. Now we'll prepare this to the highest standards. They come fully guaranteed, fully pre-delivery inspected. We offer a £250 reservation and collect, so you can give us a call. You can reserve it with a £250. That is a fully refundable £250 deposit. We'll get the car ready for you, so you only have to come to Wigan once. If you've got a part exchange, give me a call, 01942 231 123. I'll give you a price over the phone. If you've got finance, we have a calculator on our Alpha Motors website. You can put your deposit in there and work out your monthly payments and find a payment which is suitable for your budget. But these cars are low road tax, £20, £30 a year to tax. Great on fuel. They do 80 miles to the gallon, 90 miles to the gallon if you look on our website. But you can see there the last owner's been getting 56 miles to the gallon at 24 miles an hour, so that's just round town. So yeah, that's something to consider in the current climate. So give us a call. There's myself, Graham, there's Dom, and there's Lee. We'll all be happy to help in any way we can. But let me take the opportunity to thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.